So I wanted to share with you all some successes I had with doing these mini villages on these shelves. I think I've seen from some Facebook groups, people have asked, kind of like, how do you put a backing on some shelving? So you can kind of see here, kind of like when we did the little mini villages, we do actually have, a little cotton sheet back here, and it's kind of like attached to the backside. And in previous years, I've used like duct tape or scotch tape to kind of like hold the corners of the fabric sheet onto the back of these shelves with kind of mixed success. I do recall, the following year that we did have to like go back a lot and reattach, just because tape just doesn't really work very well when it comes to the cotton fabric. So one of the new techniques that I used this year to get this to stay is we used a hot glue gun, and actually ran out of the other ones, but instead of using like the clear sticks, I actually used what I think they had, like what you call like fabric glue sticks. And basically what you do is they're like the same size, and you just insert them here. But what I found out pleasantly is that it does a really, really good job of keeping the cotton sheet on whatever surface you glue it to. And right now I'm about to basically start taking this stuff down because it's after the holiday season. But I'll kind of share with you guys how easy it is to remove. But just from the beginning part, it is very good at kind of keeping the fabric tight, and also like on for like several months, kind of like how we had it. And I definitely recommend it over using duct tape. So I'll kind of just share again what it looks like when we take it down. All right, so you can kind of see here that this glue is actually a little too good at its job. It's not quite easy to peel off, but you can kind of see I got a flathead screwdriver, and I started working on some of this glue here. But yeah, I might not do this again next year, but curious to hear from you guys of what kind of approaches worked for you if it comes to attaching these things.